To display unread notification count as number on app icons on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable the app icon pages feature and then set it to numbers. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap the gray on offset next to app icon pages until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap app icon pages. Under page style section, select number. To see the result, go to the home screen or app screen. As you can see, now your phone display a small number on apps that have unread notification, so you can easily know how many unread notification you have on that apps. As a note, the page will not be displayed on those apps that you have turned off its page notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.